In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add an RSS feed to your small business website. You might be wondering, what is that? It's a great way to have fresh content, expert content on your website that helps keep your website fresh and updated, give people a reason to have a great first impression of your business and keep coming back without you having to create all that content. You just take it from a place that's already creating it and leverage it on your website platform. Now, this is super easy. Anyone can do this. It doesn't matter if you're using the website platform I'm using or if you're using a different one. So I'm using Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month for a simple professional website on this platform. I'm going to put the link down below. I'm pretending I'm building a website here for a business consultant, let's just say an IT or technical consultant, and I'm going to show you how to pull in an RSS feed for this site and then what it looks like when I'm done in just a couple minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Elfsight, and I'm going to put the link down below. Elfsight is a really cheap and easy way to add an RSS feed. It's free. And then just depending if you get a ton of traffic, it could be $5 or $10 a month. But what we're going to do is connect the RSS feed to this widget, and then we're going to connect that to the website. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down, just kind of pick the layout that I like. I think this looks good, but I can choose from all different types of layouts there. And I'm just going to click on continue and add to website for free. Now what it's going to do for me, it's going to open up and ask me for the RSS feed. What you have to do ahead of time is you have to find the RSS feed URL. So for me, since this is a business, I just went and I looked at feeder.co and I looked at some technology business feeds that would make sense, right? So there's all sorts of different ones here. So I'm going to grab the one from TechCrunch. So I just go over to TechCrunch and it links their website and I find their RSS feed, and here's the URL. So then all I do is copy this. Don't worry about all that code. Look at you, you're coding now. And I'm just going to go in and I'm going to paste this RSS feed here and I'm going to click on add. Now you can see this just pulled in all the latest articles that are coming out from TechCrunch so that I can add those to my site. So I'm just going to go over here now and click on publish and close. And now it's super easy to do. Now I click on install, copy the code. Now, once you have that code, Mighty Sites makes it really clear and easy where that code gets pasted, but just depending on your website platform, you just find where you can paste that custom code. So I'm going to go over here now to my website. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click right here on update section. I'm going to paste it in. See Elfsight code right here. I'm going to save it and close. Now, once I do that, I'm going to go right back to the top, get out of editing mode. And now as I scroll down, you can see on my business consultant website, technology, now all of a sudden, I've got all of these articles coming in from TechCrunch right here on my website. So if people know they can come to my site, it also creates a more impressive and professional appeal for your website. And you can add an RSS feed for anything. So you can see like a lot of businesses, a lot of magazine stuff have RSS feeds. So you can see Mashable, you might recognize some of these, Entrepreneur, Wired, Fast Company. You can grab their RSS feed and load them right onto your website. It makes your website look even more professional, keeps you in the know. And hey, you can go to your own website to read some of these new information and stuff that's coming out so you can talk to your clients about it and score more business deals. So that's super straightforward and easy, how you add an RSS feed to your website, make it look even more professional. I'll put the links to Elfsight and Mighty Sites down below so you can give them a try. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next video as we keep exploring all the ways you can build a nice professional website for your local business.